Looking for a simple steak recipe? Here's the easiest one that I know of. Stay tuned. This steak and egg recipe is great for breakfast, for dinner. It's super easy. You only need your steak, you need your salt, pepper, and butter. That's it. Let me show you how it's done. Make sure your steak is room temperature, and then you want to season your steak with about a half a teaspoon of salt, pat it in, flip it over, and then we'll use the rest on the other side. And I actually like to use kosher salt. And then we want to use about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Pat it in once again, flip it over. And pat it in. Melt about a tablespoon of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, place your steak in the skillet and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. You want to make sure that you don't overcook the venison. So about 3 to 5 minutes, or if you have a thermometer, when the internal temperature reaches about 125 to 130 degrees. Once your steak has reached the desired temperature, take it out of the pan. While the steak is resting, I like to wipe the pan and then add a little bit more butter to fry my eggs. Fry your eggs on low heat. Cook the eggs to your liking, and then you're ready to serve. And there you have it, easy steak and eggs. If you want to add any additional salt or pepper for your eggs, you can do that. And there you go. So that's it. I hope you try this recipe. It's super easy. It takes about 10 minutes and it's really, really good. Enjoy.